Hey guys, welcome to Destroy Everything. I have a really dumb idea. It involves gasoline and a shotgun. So what I have here is my Hatfield shotgun, single shot obviously, $100 shotgun from Walmart. And I'm going to put gasoline down the barrel. I'm not sure if I'm going to fill it or not, but I'm going to put some in there. I have a shell in the chamber right now. I'm going to pour the gasoline in the barrel. And then I'm going to tie this string to the trigger and stand back behind that tree as my shotgun potentially explodes. Hopefully not, but it'll be pretty cool. Concerned about safety? Got a fire extinguisher. It's almost all used up anyway. I cooked a pizza the other day. The first shot didn't work, so what I did is I cut open the shell, dumped all the shot out, so I just have the wad cap in there. So that didn't really work that time, so what I have now is I have a board out there in front of the shotgun. I'm going to pour gasoline on it, light it on fire so I have a pilot flame, and then it should be pretty cool. So the gasoline in the shotgun wasn't as cool as I thought it would be, but it was still pretty cool. I had the barrel pretty full, so I thought it would just throw a huge fireball out of the shotgun barrel. It didn't really do that, but it was still really cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Go check out my channel and subscribe. I show you the easiest way to make rocket fuel. It literally takes 30 seconds. You know the old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And if it's broke, blow it up.